Zet Ninja. We got our demo and it's in the shop. It's baby blue. It's my new favorite color, actually. This thing has some pretty sweet lines. It's really interesting, the wide point of this boat right behind the cockpit. That kind of, in sea kayaking and touring, they call that like Swedish design. But yeah, it's got a really interesting flare right here. It's been a really popular boat for people from what I can tell. It's really interesting. Definitely got a nice round displacement style bow, and it definitely comes back into a very flat tail, narrows down quite a bit at the tail here, but you can see that. You can see here, this is that flare behind the stern on the deck, and just check that angle out there. Very interesting. Looking at the deck here, very solid aluminum grab handles, really nice and easy to get your hand underneath there. Safety bar up towards the cockpit, 2 safety bars behind the cockpit, and another nice grab handle in the back. We got the drain plug with the reverse Audi style drain plug that has fits a 2-liter cap, so if you're somewhere and you need to replace, really easy. I really like these kind of harsh angled deck lines they put on here. Outfitting's pretty sweet. You got the standard really solid Zet outfitting. They went back to the ratchet, which stokes me out. You still got the places to put water bottles, safety items, and some places in the back to clip stuff too. At 185, I fit in here really nice, and there's a little extra room for folks that are a little bigger than me, but really dig it. Now we'll see how it paddles as soon as the rain comes. Zet Ninja.